Hello, this is Rithuranjan from Just Tutors, and today we are going to learn about multiplication. Now here we are. In this video, what we are going to learn is written down here. So, we'll learn multiplication with the help of addition, and we'll also use tables, our times table, to solve multiplication problems. And then we'll also learn the basic properties of multiplication. Now here are a few warm-up questions for you, so try to do them by pausing the video. Now, making multiplication with the help of addition. Here are a few facts written about multiplication, which is multiplication is often denoted by a cross symbol or a point, and it is one of the four basic fundamental mathematical operations. The other operations are addition, subtraction, and division. So these all four constitute four basic operations in mathematics. Now multiplication is also a way to do repeated addition. Why it is called repeated addition? For example, 4 multiplied by 3 can also be calculated by adding 3 lots of 4 together. And 5 multiplied by 6 can also be calculated by adding 6 lots of 5 together. So here you can see that 5 is getting added repeatedly, again and again, 6 times. And this is how you do repeated addition, which is actually timesing, multiplication. And when you'll work it out, it will be 30. So 5 times 6 is 30. Now, one of the main properties of multiplication is that adding 5 lots of 3 gives the same result as 3 lots of 5. This is a very important result. So 5 times 3 means 3 lots of 5. When you'll add it, you'll get 15. Or when you'll do 3 times 5, that means 5 lots of 3, which is also 15. So this gives us a very important fundamental property of multiplication, which is no matter in what order you multiply two numbers, the result will always be same. This is one of the most important thing to keep in our mind. Now, try the following questions using repeated addition. Let's try question number 1. 5 times 4 means what? 4 lots of 5. So 4 lots of 5 is here. 4 lots. Let's repeat them 4 times and then add them, which is equal to 20. Similarly, try the other 3 questions by pausing the video. Now, we can use our knowledge of times table instead of repeated addition to shorten our work. Now, for example, instead of adding 5 6 times, we can use our times table to find out what is 5 times 6. The 5 times 6 is 30. Instead of doing repeated addition of 5 6 times, we can straight away learn and apply our concepts of times table to work out the answer here. For example, 3 times 8. is actually 8 lots of 3. Now it will be a very tedious work to write 3 8 times. See, I'm doing it and it's consuming time. And then add it and then get the result, which is 24. Instead of doing that, you can remember your times table and then use it to work out multiplication questions. Now, here's a practice slide for you. Try to find out the answers by using times table and then check your answers using repeated addition method. So 7 times 2 is basically 2 lots of 7. 2 lots of 7. And that is 14. So here is your answer. Now pause the video and try to work out these questions, and also make it sure to review your answers using the repeated addition method. Now there is one more property of multiplication, which is the product of two numbers remains the same even if the order of the numbers are changed. We have discussed it previously, so here it is repeated once again. So you can see that 5 times 4 is same as 4 times 5, and the answer in both the cases will be 20. Another very important property is when we multiply any number by 0 or 0 by any number, the answer will always be 0. So 0 times 9 is 0, or 5 times 0 is 0. Why is that? Do you wonder? Well, 0 times 9 means 9 lots of 0. It's like adding 0 9 times. So that will give you the answer as 0. But let me add them first. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, that's right. So that's 0. And 5 times 0 means 0 lots of 5. So if there is no lot of 5, the answer will still be 0. Hope you understand it now. Now, there are a few terms and terminologies related to multiplication, which are given here. The number by which we multiply is known as multiplier. The number by which we multiply is known as multiplier. The number which is being multiplied is called multiplicand, and the value that we get after multiplying two numbers or more than two numbers is called product. So 5 here and this is 4 here. The number by which we multiply is called multiplier. So 4 is the multiplier. The number which is being multiplied is called multiplicand, and the product, the answer is called the product. So multiplicand and multiplier can change their places. If I write 4 here and if I write 5 here, now 4 will be the multiplicand and 5 will be the multiplier, and the product will still be same. You know that. Now here are a few practice questions for you to work out these questions using your concept of times table and then checking your answer using repeated addition method. And a few more questions where you have to figure out whether these 4 questions written are true or not. So let's check second question. 7 times 0, what do you think? Yes, definitely 0. And 0 times 5? Oh yes, that's 0 as well. So this is how you have to work out the other questions. So pause the video and try to work them out. Here are a few more questions, word problems, based on your concepts of multiplication which you have learned so far. So pause on every slide where you have practice questions and try to work them out. I'm sure you'll get more confident with the concepts of multiplication. So this is all for today in this video. For more videos, please visit justtutors.com. Thank you. Have a good day.